Hey there, everyone. Have you ever looked at frugal individuals and wondered how they always seem to have more cash regardless of circumstances? The answer lies in a secret they've all learned. Frugal isn't about cutting all life's pleasures. It's about making informed choices about where to spend. What's fascinating is that numerous celebrities practice this frugality. Take Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook's co-founder. Despite his enormous wealth, he is recognized for driving a modest car, and his wardrobe is famously basic. This isn't about a lack of funds, but a conscious decision to conserve them. Another example is billionaire investor Warren Buffett, who lives in the same house he bought in the 50s. It's not about scarcity, it's about choice. Are you prepared to follow in their footsteps? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're thrilled to unveil some secrets of frugal living. We're going to expose the top 50 money-saving habits that can help you on your path to financial independence. It is not necessary to follow all these 50 habits, but if you follow at least 10 to 15 of these habits, I'm telling you, it's very life-changing and you can easily achieve financial independence. So if you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming content. Let's jump right in. One way to consider to achieve financial freedom involves changing our consumption habits. Let's start in the kitchen, where little changes can make a huge difference. 1. Eat leftovers. Maximize your grocery spend by ensuring no food goes to waste. Turn yesterday's meal into today's culinary adventure. 2. Cook inexpensive meals. Thrifty, tasty, and nutritious recipes can help cut food expenses without compromising on flavor or health. 3. Reduce your meat consumption or go meatless. Embrace plant-based meals. Your wallet, health, and the environment will thank you. 4. Grow your own food. Unleash your inner gardener. Not only will this save you money, but you also get the freshest produce. 5. Avoid buying bottled water. Opt for a reusable water bottle and a filtration system. You'll save money and reduce plastic waste. 6. Always check the expiration date before making purchases. Ensure your grocery items don't expire soon. You'll avoid food wastage and unnecessary expenses. Another factor to focus on to achieve financial independence is how we manage our money. Let's talk about spending and saving habits. 7. Create a budget. Being frugal starts with knowing exactly where your money goes. Craft a budget that outlines your income, mandatory expenses, discretionary spending, and savings. 8. If you can't pay cash, don't buy it. Adopt this rule as your mantra to steer clear of debilitating debts. Refraining from relying on credit ensures that you live within your means. To make this journey easier, check out our video on the ultimate guide to budgeting and debt payoff, linked in the description box below. 9. Live within your means. Embrace simplicity and prioritize your needs over wants. 10. Allocate some fun money in your budget. Give yourself permission to enjoy. Life's about balance after all. 11. Avoid buying unnecessary stuff. Make thoughtful purchases by applying the need versus want test before every transaction. Do you really need that new gadget, or are you just trying to keep up with the trend? Becoming more discerning about what you buy can lead to significant savings. 12. Get a raise and save the difference. Got a raise at work? View this as an opportunity to boost your savings rather than increase your spending. The same principle applies to any income streams, like bonuses or side hustles. 13. Take on no-spend days or week challenges. Not only does this help strengthen your saving muscles, but it also makes you more aware of your spending habits. The money saved can go straight into your savings account or towards a financial goal. Every dollar counts, and knowing where and how to shop can help stretch those dollars. Let's look into smart shopping strategies. 14. Buy store brands. Rather than splurging on big-name brands, consider buying store brands. More often than not, they offer similar, if not the same, quality at a fraction of a price. You might be surprised how much you can save without compromising on quality. 15. Utilize coupons. Coupons are your best friend when it comes to trimming down that grocery bill. Make a habit of checking newspapers, apps, or store websites for coupons before heading out to shop. Each cent saved brings you closer to your financial goals. 16. Pack lunch and snacks the night before. Not only does this save you money, but it also gives you control over what you're consuming, promoting healthier eating habits. 17. Buy gifts, wraps, and other items from the dollar store. It's perfect for occasions when you want to be thoughtful without breaking the bank. 18. Grocery shop only once a week. This is a great way to limit impulse purchases. It reduces the opportunities for unplanned spending, helps you better plan your meals, and saves on fuel or transport costs too. 19. Avoid convenience items like prepackaged snacks. Convenience comes with a price. Prepackaged snacks are often overpriced and less healthy compared to whole foods. Choose fresh fruits, nuts, or homemade snacks instead. Your wallet and body will thank you. 20. Learn to be patient and avoid impulsive purchases. We live in a world of instant gratification, which often leads to impulsive purchases. By developing patience, you give yourself time to consider if the purchase is necessary or just a passing desire. This simple habit can significantly reduce unnecessary spending. By the way, if you want to know the things that frugal people never buy, you better check out one of our videos about this. Link is in the description box. This will give you an idea which things are not worth buying. If you find these habits helpful and interesting, hit that thumbs up button. Your support helps us to continue providing you with the best content for your financial journey. Now let's proceed to our households. Home is where we can implement a lot of cost-saving strategies. Here are some frugal ways to run your household efficiently. 21. Use a multi-purpose cleaner. Why buy multiple cleaning products when one can do the job? A multi-purpose cleaner can clean various surfaces, simplifying your cleaning routine and saving you money. 22. Use ceiling fans instead of air conditioning. Ceiling fans use significantly less energy than air conditioning units. They provide a cheaper, more eco-friendly way to stay cool, especially during those hot summer months. 23. Utilize cleaning racks to dry dishes. Save on energy costs by air drying your dishes. It's a simple change that's good for both your pocket and the planet. 24. Use cloth napkins. Swap out disposable paper napkins for reusable cloth ones. 25. Cut your own hair. It might take a little practice, but cutting your own hair can save a lot over time. 26. Stop coloring your hair. Embrace your natural beauty and save on salon visits. 27. Cut cables. In the age of online streaming and free entertainment, cutting the cable can significantly reduce your monthly bills. It allows you to pay for only what you watch, and you can avoid the unnecessary expense of cable packages. 28. Buy a fuel-efficient car. A fuel-efficient vehicle can save you a lot of money on gas over time. Not to mention, it's a great way to reduce your carbon footprint, so you're not just saving money, you're also helping to save the planet. 29. Do not use toll roads. Whenever possible, opt for toll-free roads. This small change in your commuting habits can keep those coins in your pocket and make a significant difference over time. Lifestyle changes often come hand in hand with frugality. Here are some habits to embrace. 30. Pack your own snacks. It can be a pocket-friendly and healthier alternative to store-bought ones. You control what goes in, ensuring you're not consuming excess sugar or preservatives. This simple habit not only saves you money, but can also lead to better health outcomes in the long run. 31. Create your own uniform. Having a uniform simplifies your wardrobe, making dressing up less stressful. It reduces the need for excess clothing, ultimately saving money and promoting a minimalist lifestyle. 32. Exercise regularly. It keeps you fit, promoting overall health and reducing potential medical costs. Whether it's a brisk walk, cycling, or at-home workouts, consistent physical activity is a cost-effective health insurance policy. 33. Practice yoga. Yoga combines fitness with stress management. With no equipment needed, just a mat and free online tutorials, it's a frugal way to maintain physical and mental health. 34. Having movie nights at home. Instead of shelling out on expensive movie tickets, why not enjoy a cozy movie night at home? With the availability of various streaming platforms, you can enjoy great films in the comfort of your home, saving considerably. 35. Declutter your home. Regular decluttering can provide unexpected financial benefits. Sell items you no longer need or use, or donate to charity for a potential tax write-off. An uncluttered space also enhances your living environment, promoting peace and productivity. 36. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. There are cheaper or even free alternatives available. This habit can save significant money over time. 37. Choose DIY over buying new. When something breaks, try to fix it before replacing it. Not only can this save money, but it also develops useful skills and reduces waste. Online tutorials can guide you through many basic repairs. 38. Opt for outdoor activities. Nature provides a free playground. From hiking and bird watching to picnics and beach days, outdoor activities can be a source of free entertainment that also benefits your health. 39. Cancel your gym membership. Running, cycling, and online workout tutorials can provide excellent fitness regimes without the hefty price tag. This is a frugal approach to maintaining your health and well-being. Financial habits can make or break your wealth. Here are some smart ones to consider. 40. Pay off debts quickly. Over time, the interest on your debts accumulates, increasing the total amount you owe. The quicker you can eliminate these debts, the less you'll pay in the long run. Make a plan, prioritize your debts, and commit to making regular payments. It might seem challenging at first, but the financial freedom you'll gain is worth it. 41. Start a retirement fund early. One of the best investments you can make is in your future self. By starting a retirement fund early, you'll take advantage of compound interest, which essentially means earning interest on your interest over time. If you're planning on retiring by 30 and want to learn how to invest early, we've got a video about it that you'll surely like. Link is in the description. 42. Create sinking funds. They are a proactive approach to managing your finances. They are savings for future planned expenses, such as car maintenance, holiday gifts, or a vacation. By putting aside a small amount each month, you can avoid the financial stress that often accompanies these larger expenses. It's all about anticipating your future needs and planning for them today. 43. Freeze your credit. Identity theft is a growing concern, and one way to shield yourself from it is by freezing your credit. When your credit is frozen, potential creditors can't access your credit report, making it harder for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. It's also a good strategy to prevent impulsive spending, as it adds an extra step before you can apply for a new line of credit. 44. Track your expenses. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. By tracking your expenses, you'll have a clear picture of where your money is going. This can help you identify areas where you might be overspending and where you could cut back. Various apps and tools can simplify this process, making it easier than ever to manage your money effectively. 45. Invest wisely. This can be a fast track to achieving financial independence and retiring early, or FIRE. It's all about growing your wealth passively, freeing you from the need to trade your time for money. Start by educating yourself about the different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. And we have a video on the ultimate guide to investing that's suitable for beginners. You can watch it later, the link is in the description box. Remember, the goal is to make informed, wise investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Enrichment habits nurture our minds and souls. Check out these frugal favorites. 46. Utilize YouTube for free education. Our digital era offers vast resources at the tips of our fingers, and YouTube is one of them. With its vast array of tutorials, it's akin to an expansive digital classroom. Whether you want to learn how to fix your leaking faucet, understanding the theory of relativity, or master a new language, there's a YouTube tutorial for it. The savings are substantial, not just in terms of money, but also time, as you learn at your own pace. 47. Visit your local library. They are treasure troves filled with knowledge and entertainment, all for free. From timeless classics to recent bestsellers, educational children's books, and engaging audiobooks, there's a book for every reader. Many libraries also offer digital resources, including online books, courses, and language learning apps. 48. Enjoy free family time. It is simple, cost-free activities such as playing board games, hiking, or stargazing, which can create beautiful memories. These moments nurture deeper connections that all the money in the world can't buy. 49. Volunteer. This provides a sense of purpose, cultivates empathy, and develops skills, all while contributing to a cause you care about. Whether it's helping at a local food bank, mentoring a young person, or participating in community cleanup, the experiences enrich your life, and often they're free. Volunteering embodies the essence of frugality. It maximizes personal and communal value while minimizing financial expenditure. 50. Lastly, be content. Contentment is perhaps the most impactful habit of frugal people. It isn't about complacency or denying one's aspirations. Instead, it's about appreciating what you have. It's the realization that happiness isn't tied to material possessions, but lies within us. This mindset helps resist the lure of consumerism, leading to significant financial savings. But more importantly, it brings a sense of peace and fulfillment that no amount of money can buy. Contentment, indeed, is a form of wealth that's priceless. And there you have it. These 50 habits of frugal people aren't about depriving yourself, they're about maximizing value and making smart decisions. If you're ready to start on this frugal journey, why not start with 2 or 3 of these habits today? You'd be amazed at how little changes can make a big difference. Remember, every step, no matter how small, gets you closer to financial independence. So take that step today and let's build a frugal future together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.